Hello friend, it is another time to talk about research and statistics. In my previous video, I spoke about what research is all about and why we conduct academic research. Today we are going to look at the steps involved in academic research. My name is Felix Oyeleye. Please let's get started. Now the first step I'm going to talk about is the need for you to establish an area of interest and familiarity, be it in the area of pharmaceutical science, biological science, or even physical science, engineering, education, and social sciences, or maybe veterinary medicine. You must have an area of interest or familiarity. Now, the next thing is to begin with extensive literature search. You see, in research, we don't reinvent the wheel. It simply means we don't go about doing what others have done before. And the only way you can get to know what has been done before and the knowledge gap we have now is to have an extensive understanding of what has been done through literature search. You can get information like this from the internet, or maybe the National Library or the institutional library, or you can visit the hospital for health-based researches. Now, the next step is to construct your topic. You want to have a focus. What is the research going to be focused on? And of course, you need to be familiar with the rules in your institution. In some institutions, there are specifications on the numbers of words that can make up your topic construct. Maybe like 25 words, 26 words, as the case may be. Now, the next thing to do is to find the background. To every problem in research, there's always a background. You see, the knowledge of the background of the research will help you to make an informed argument. Sometimes we refer to it as justification. It is a legal argument, legal presentation of why the work has to be done or is important to be done. Now, the next thing to do is to locate current research in that particular field. You see, there's hardly any area of research that somebody has not done one or two things. Now, it's important you understand what has been done in that particular field and where you can come in as a researcher. Now, the next thing to do after that, which is step 5, is to design a plan or a framework. How do you intend to actually carry out that particular research? What methods do you hope to use? What is the sampling technique? Or you want to talk about the statistical analysis? Statistical analysis, very important, because statistics is the language for communicating research. How do you intend to present that particular research? And lastly, it is important for you to conduct a feasibility study. How feasible is that research? How doable is it? You want to know, is it the target audience? Is it the right audience? And all that. Now, in my next video, I'm going to speak about another form of research, which is business research. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for listening.